This is my favorite astronaut, Sir Victor J. Glover. He is an American black astronaut. He has spent 6 months in the International Space Station. Without gravity, it would not be easy. It is easy to say but very difficult to do. How Victor J. Glover is hanging from the ISS at an altitude of about 420 kilometers above the Earth, faster than a gunshot. In this picture, you can see Victor J. Glover. Victor J. Glover will go to the moon mission at the end of 2026 because NASA has selected him for the moon mission. He is the main player of the Artemis 2 mission because he will have control of Orion. If we say so, it will not be wrong that NASA's honor will be with him in 2026. Since we know that the ISS is far enough from Earth that NASA spacecraft cannot go there every day, and even if we only know 1 liter of water, it costs millions of dollars. That's why astronomers they use water very carefully. And they don't